Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so I'm still getting a lot of requests on this Fright Funk dance emote from the game Fortnite, and it's either because one, you don't know that I've already made a tutorial of the spooky skeleton dance, or two, because you don't know that that's the original dance. So before I link to my spooky skeleton dance tutorial, I just want to say that I still appreciate all your comments, so thank you guys so much for those, and thank you, Sayang, for being the first one to request it. Alright, so click up here if you want to see the tutorial of the original dance. I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.